Okay, now this is an image study of a female she will come to me because she came in agony and I had to do it as soon as possible. So that's the reason at present I am giving you the pictures I saved. We have studied the subtate uterus and the images and the narration is with you in YouTube, Dr. Tahir Siddiqui from Gujranwaka, Pakistan. So this is the uterus in which you are seeing, this is a single uterus in which you are seeing two, this is the uterus, single uterus, but with indentation. You can say U-shaped, unity or V-shaped. I will rather say that there is an indentation in the fundal region. This is the fundus of the uterus. Normally, when you see this sort of an indentation in a uterus with two endometrial canal, and you see this indentation, if I draw a line here, so it's in the center of these two endometrial canals. There are two canals. This is one. This is the second one, and this is the uterus in transverse section. This is not the longitudinal section because these pathologies you will be seeing in mostly in transverse section. So you see that we see a clear central endometrial canal that has an indentation at the fundal from the fundal region down. Let's go to the other part. Now, here is a bit detailed as regards the same picture you are seeing, the fundus, the two uterus, the two endometrial canals, and there is at the break point you see an indentation in this region of the fundus. And the endometrial canal that you are seeing is central, is clear, and we are seeing the transverse section of the same uterus. Now, this is again the same patient, but this is now the longitudinal view as well as the transverse view. Now this is the transverse view in which you can see that this is the one horn, second, this is the endometrial canal, this is the endometrial canal, and you see an indentation in this region of the fundus of the uterus, where fundal region, where the endometrial canal become discontinuous. Now this is the longitudinal view of the uterus, and you see that there is single cervix. There is single cervix. So this patient with this uterine anomaly is sharing has a single uterus, shows two endometrial canals which are central clear, and there is an indentation at the fundal region. So this is a picture that is very much consistent with bicornuate uterus. This is what we will call it as bicornuate uterus. Now, if the upper part is straight, you don't see any indentation in this region, then that will be the only difference between a bicornuate and a subseptate uterus is that they share the single cervix, no doubt, and single vagina, single cervix, but there will be in bicornuate uterus you will see indentation, whereas in subtate uterus you will not see this indentation between the endometrial canals. So this is a case study. She will be reporting to me after a week, and then we will have a real-time study of this bicornuate uterus. At present, this will serve as a purpose, as a good purpose for understanding for you when we go to the real-time study of the patient with us.